Alright, hey guys, we are back with another video. Today we got the G502 Hero. This was about 80 bucks before tax on Amazon.ca. I believe it was on sale as well. That was the sale price, $80. But yeah, seemed like a pretty good deal. The mouse is quite amazing in itself. It came in this nice box as well. Sorry, it's kind of out of focus. Let me just get that to work. There we go. Oh yeah, also I started recording with my phone again because the GoPro was just, I don't know, the videos just seemed very out of focus and whatnot. Oh god. Yeah. And this way, when I record with my phone, it's a lot more in my control, I guess you could say. Yeah. There's one side, here's the other. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So it's a pretty nice box. If you go to the back, it shows you how it's adjustable in weights. Let's see here. Yeah, gaming mouse, next generation Hero sensor. I believe it's up to 16,000 DPI, 11 programmable buttons, up to 3.6 grams weight, and yeah, light sync technology. It's got the RGB and everything, so I believe that's what this part is mentioning about. Anyways, let's get this opened up. Sorry about that. Had to cut the tape open. Anyways, we're just gonna pull that top part off. And yeah, we're just gonna drag it out. Oh, this way. And there it is. There seems to be nothing else in the box aside from this cardboard piece, and yeah, it's completely empty. We'll just put that away for now. Anyways, now back to the mouse. Yeah, it's got one of those free, I believe it's called a free scroll wheel. I don't know, actually, no, never mind. I have no idea what it's called, but it's the scroll wheel. It spins continuously. You know, it has less friction added towards it. Yeah, anyway, and I believe you can control that with a couple buttons and whatnot. But yeah, so it came in this tray, just taking off the cover. Nothing special on the bottom. Just the mouse right here. I will put that down right there. It's also this pad. I believe this carries the weight for the mouse. Let's see how we open this. Yeah, there we go. And there's some weights inside there. Yeah, it's I believe that says yeah, 3.6 grams each one of these. Yeah, and so there's 5 pieces inside here. I'm not sure if there's any inside the mouse. We'll have to check that. It also comes with some sort of manual, some sort of description on how to use the product and whatnot. It's not too important. We'll put that away. We'll put this down right there. Now to get to the mouse. Let's open up the wire and see how long this is. All right. Oh, there's a little twist tie at the end right there. We'll take that off as well. And now the wire's about, God, I don't know, 5 to 6 feet, I'd say. It's quite long. Ooh, it's also got the Logitech logo right there. Very nice. Yeah. All right. Now to the mouse. Here's the mouse. Yeah, it's got they got a little bit. Sorry about that. They got this little design effect going. The previous version of this is the updated version of the G502, as I said before, I believe. Yeah, it used to be blue right here, and now it's black. I believe it had the same design previously as well. On the package, I believe it said it had 11 programmable buttons, and that seems about right. Anyways, the scroll wheel, the main thing that I was interested in. It's very nice. It's you can also go side to side. It's amazing. And yeah, I believe you click that down, And there we go, it's free scroll, I believe it's called. Yeah, that's the main reason I bought this mouse. Yeah, they said they improved the scroll wheel apparently, but I don't have the previous one. I've only seen pictures of it, so I wouldn't really know. But yeah, I love this feature right here. Yeah, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And the little button over here, oh god, it seems to say G9, I believe. I'm not sure why. Maybe that's a DPI control, or no, maybe these two are. Yeah, it's probably these two. This is probably, I don't know, maybe some RGB control. There's a little sniper button, I believe it's called. The two right and left buttons. This will display the DPI level you're at. I believe it's all adjustable through their software. And they also got their design over here. And at the bottom, they got those pads. I forget what these are called, but like even on the floor, it's very, very smooth and whatnot. But yeah, I'm not sure how to take out the bottom. Maybe, yeah, oh, there we go. It's quite simple like that. Put it back. Yeah, so it's magnetic through this magnet right there. I'm just gonna put in the weights for you guys just to show you how it looks. So we'll put one up right there, put another there. All right, there we go. There's 3 of them up there. And now I believe 2 of them go in the bottom. There we go. Yeah, just gonna push that in. Maybe, yeah, you just gotta push it in a little bit. That's it. Then, yeah, so it shouldn't fall out. There we go. I'm just gonna slide this back on. I don't know if you guys can hear that. There's a little bit of a noise. I believe it's one of the buttons, but whatever. It's not nothing serious. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, it still feels quite nice. I like my mouses heavier, but that's just my opinion. Anyways, yeah, so something just slipped out of my mind. I forgot. Oh yeah, these clicks are rated up to 50 clicks, 50 million I mean. So the previous one can only click up to 20 million, then it just apparently stops working, or it doesn't click as well. But this one's up to 50 million, so it's a lot more durable and whatnot. But yeah, that'll be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the description below. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.